Alright, hey everybody, this is your Canvas homepage. This is just an example. When you click on home of our Avid course, what you should see. This slideshow has more than this first slide you see, so make sure you always try to go next in any slideshow you see, just in case there are more slides. This second page is just a little bit about me, and then the third page has my schedule, when live classes will be, when my office hours are, your counselor, etc. All these links are live on here, so bell schedule, how-to videos, your syllabus is over here, TRF, focus notes, those will all be live at some point. And then these links over here as well, Khan Academy, ACT, SAT, College Board, FAFSA will take you right where you need to go. The second thing I wanted to show you on here was conferences. When we go live at 10:30 during our Avid class every B-Day, you'll just click on conferences. Over here on the left side, it'll pop up and you'll just click join the conference that is in session for that day. I'm hoping that's easier since it's all in one place for now. And then the last thing I want to just talk about real quick is modules. That's where you'll find all your classwork. Asynchronous, I know, big word, means you do it by yourself. Synchronous, meaning we're in sync because we're all doing it together. So that's when your live classes will happen. And that's what it'll look like, okay? We'll talk more about this in our first live session on Tuesday. But this is just a little bit of how to get to your conferences. It's over here on the left hand side, and then just a little bit about the homepage. Yeah, so just when you get on here, explore it a little bit. It has my contact information, my email, and hopefully everything works. But I'm here for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can email me. You can send me a message through Canvas. Yeah, so look forward to getting to know you guys.